Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into the basics of working with files and directories using the Linux terminal. If you are just getting started, these are the most known commands you will be using every day. So let's get started. This video, I'm going to cover some important topics like listing files and folders, viewing context of the file, creating directories, moving and renaming files, and navigating through the system. The first command you will use is ls. It shows you the files and folders in your current directory. If you want more details like file size, permissions, and hidden files, you can use ls/la. This will give you a full view of what's going on in your current folder. To quickly read the content of the file, use the cat command. cat space the file name which you want to read. But if the file is so long, try less command which lets you scroll easily. Less space file name. If you want to just pull up a part of a file, use head for the beginning and tail for the end. For example, head space file name and tail space file name. These are the commands used for viewing file contents. Next one is if you want to make a directory, for example, you want to make a folder and you want to keep some important part of the code inside that folder, you can create a new folder using mkdir command. Mkdir and then space and the folder name. If you want to create nested folders in one go, you can use -p option, mkdir -p and then projects/2025/Linux. So it will go inside a folder of projects. Inside that project folder, it will go to 2025. Inside that 2025 folder, it will go to Linux. And then inside that Linux folder, it will make a new folder inside that. This is useful when organizing files by years, projects, or any topic. Next is moving a file or renaming a file. You can move files using mv command. For example, to move a file into another folder, for example, its name is, the folder name is documents, and if you want to move a file test, so mv space test space documents. So it will move the file to the documents folder. You can also rename a file with the same command, mv, and then the older file name and whatever file name you want to make a new file. So mv space old file name space new file name. So it will change the name from older one to the newer one. The mv command handles both moving and renaming depending on how you use it. If you ever forget where you are in the system, pwd command is used for showing up the full path of your current location. pwd stands for print working directory. Now, to enter in a particular folder or in a particular directory, we use cd command. To go to one level in the cd tree, it's cd dot dot. To go straight to your home directory, you use cd and then epsilon. Knowing how to move around your file is key to use Linux efficiently. So I think this is the most important command which is used for moving my files from here to there. Next is, that's a wrap on the essential file directory operations in Linux. These commands are simple but powerful. You will use them every day. If the video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for Linux content, and many more. Thank you for watching.